How to unlock Hidden Siri Pro Mode on iPhone. First, you have to go to Safari and search for platform.openai.com/account/API-keys. Log in on your Chat GPT OpenAI account and you should be seeing this page. After that, click this, Create New Secret Key. Now you have to make sure to not let anyone see your secret key. And also remember to copy it immediately because you won't be able to get another chance to copy it. Now after that, make sure to go to the shortcuts of iPhone and add Siri Pro. Now if you open it, you will be able to see this page. And once you click the name, the drop-down menu, you can actually rename it. You can change it to any name that you want, but just remember that this is what you will use to actually call Siri. Like instead of Hey Siri, you will call it Hey together with the name that you replaced it with. Now here in the text portion, this is where you will paste the copied API key earlier. Now if you scroll down, you will see this option, Ask for Text With. This is where you can change how Siri will respond to you. When you say, Hey Siri, you can change it to like, Hey or Hello, what's up? Anything you like. Now that we are done with that, we can now test Siri Pro and see what's the difference with the usual Siri. Now we all know that if we try asking Siri about something, instead of really answering our questions directly, it will just give us another option from the website. For example, here I tried asking Siri about a specific recipe and instead of answering me directly, it just searched the web and gave me some options. So it is still me who will find the recipe myself. But with Siri Pro, if you ask about a recipe, it will actually give you a recipe, a direct answer to your inquiry. Since it is Siri combined with OpenAI like Chat GPT. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.